The story of a little girl losing her hair after using a product is spurring lawmakers into action. We've learned the federal government can't guarantee your shampoo, eyeshadow, or nail polish is safe. KIRO 7's Jacqueline Fell found details of a new plan to keep toxic ingredients out of your cosmetics.
Miriam Lawrence was shocked when she went to wash her daughter Eliana's hair with a Wen hair care product.
Third time I used the product, her hair slipped off her head on contact instantly.
At 9 years old, Eliana was bald. Now 11, she's still missing a quarter of her red curly hair.
I would never have guessed a shampoo could do that, especially one that was purported to be extra gentle.
The cosmetic company maintains its products are safe. More than 20,000 similar complaints flooded the makers of Wen hair care products. The FDA didn't step in because cosmetic companies aren't required to report consumer complaints to the government or share safety information about product ingredients.
Cosmetics are really one of the least regulated consumer products on the market today.
These two congressmen want to change that. Energy and Commerce Committee members unveiled a bipartisan proposal that would give the FDA the power to regulate cosmetics. The plan is still in the drafting stage, but the idea is to give the FDA the ability to review and test ingredients and force a company to recall a product if it turns out to be unsafe. There are competing bills in Congress that have varying degrees of oversight. Lawrence says she would like to see a national safety standard and for the product she used on her daughter to be pulled from the market. In Washington, D.C., Jacqueline Fell, KIRO 7 News.
Under the proposal, companies would have to prove their products are safe before putting them on the market. Companies would be required to report incidents like hair loss to the FDA. Also unregulated, the inks used in tattoos. According to the FDA, many of the pigments used in the inks are industrial-grade colors suitable for a printer's ink or automobile paint. Right now, none of them are approved by the FDA. Some of the inks used even contain heavy metals like cobalt.
And it can cause many different types of problems, like just allergic skin rashes or inflammatory reactions or even types of skin cancer.
There have been 7 voluntary recalls of tattoo ink since 2004. One came after 19 people got serious infections from a contaminated ink.